Welcome back to another video. Hope you are having a great day. And today I've got here something really simple. I've got a TV, I've got a set-top box, which is the NVIDIA Shield TV 4K, and I want to add a sound system like a soundbar with subwoofer, but I've got a problem. My TV only has one HDMI input and it doesn't have HDMI ARC or eARC, so I'm limited. Solution for that? Audio extractor, which is this device right over here. The link will be down below so that you can check out all the specifications. But basically what I will do, instead of connecting directly from my NVIDIA Shield TV to the TV itself, no, I will connect from my NVIDIA Shield TV to the audio extractor, and then the audio extractor will do its magic, and I will connect one cable to the TV and another cable to the sound bar, and in this way I will not lose any image quality that I have up to 8K 60 Hz, but at the same time I will be able to improve my audio quality through the soundbar that I just added to this simple setup. So if your problem is similar to this one, this might be the solution. Now, we have seen some audio extractors which have different capabilities, so if your problem is a bit different, I will leave some links down below so that you can check out if that is the solution for you, because this is actually the first audio extractor that I'm reviewing which only has HDMI inputs and outputs, so that it has all the capabilities in terms of image and also all the capabilities in terms of audio. It's just as simple as this, and I could finish the video right over here, but let's go and take a closer look to see how easy it is to set up and how easy it is to use it. And if you are watching this video on your Windows 10 or 11 computer and you still haven't activated and can't even edit your desktop icons, don't forget to check out cdksales.com, where we can find budget official OEM keys at an affordable price, and with the coupon code that you can see on screen and down below on the video description, it will get even cheaper. And besides Windows 11 Pro, if you are looking for Windows 10 or even an Office suite that we can aggregate directly to our Microsoft account, you can use the same coupon code, which will give you the best price possible at this moment. So just in case, the link will be down below. So inside the package we will find a quick user guide which we can just check it out, but it's so simple to use this audio extractor that probably we don't even need it. Now there's also a power adapter and the audio extractor. Now this model is quite special. This is the BK929. I will leave the link down below, and what makes it so special is that at the back has 3 HDMI ports. Now this is the in port which will come from our set-top box, for example up to 8K 48 gigabits of bandwidth, which is awesome, and eARC support. So this means that we will have a HDMI out to our big screen TV or a projector, and what makes it special is that it has this HDMI output that will go to our soundbar with eARC support, and that's just awesome. And besides that, a DC 5 volts in, which we will connect to our power source. So here we are with the audio extractor, but usually our setup at home is based on a set-top box from our ISP provider or TV provider, or in this particular case a NVIDIA Shield TV, which can be an Apple TV or similar. Now usually these devices only have one HDMI output, which is right over here in this particular case. Let me focus well. And when we want to connect to our TV, which in this particular case it's represented by this mini projector, just so that we can exemplify everything here on this small space. Now it also has an HDMI input, so great. I just need to grab one HDMI cable, put it on my box, and then connect it to my projector or connect to my TV, and that is it. I can just control my TV, which is here reflecting, and I can see everything on my TV or on my projector. But one of the downsides is that I can't take full advantage of the sound that I might have if I want to connect, for example, a soundbar. And I've got a small example here so that it can fit the frame, which in this particular case has several inputs like optical, also coaxial, but it has ARC. It also has auxiliary, but it has ARC, and we want to take full advantage of ARC or eARC, which we also have seen some examples. And in this particular case, what will solve this issue if we want to connect this soundbar to our system? It's exactly this audio extractor, which will be able to put in all the connectivity. Now, what I will do here in this setup is, instead of connecting directly to my TV or to my projector, I will remove the cable and go and plug it in where it says source in. So I will plug in directly from my set-top box or any other device that I want to use, a DVD player or something else, Xbox, whatever we use, up to 8K with a bandwidth of 48 gigabits per second, which is just crazy. So there is no device at this moment that will fill in this bandwidth right over here. So there is no direct connection to the TV or to the projector. What happens now is that I will need to grab one cable so that I can connect where it says out TV right over here. I will connect this second HDMI cable, and this one, yes, it will connect to my TV or to my projector on the HDMI input, which is something that TVs tend to have, only HDMI without eARC or ARC support. So this is a perfect example right over here. So right now I've got my connection from the NVIDIA Shield TV going to the audio extract, and coming out of the audio extractor going to the TV. But I want to add something else, which is the soundbar with ARC or eARC. And now I can, thanks to the audio extractor, which has this HDMI port, and I just need to bring in another cable. And where it says out to soundbar, I just need to connect that HDMI cable. And guess what? I just need now to connect this cable to my soundbar where it says ARC or eARC, and that is it. Now, cable management, not great at this moment here, but usually on a normal place we will be able to hide all these cables, which is just one more cable, and we will have the full advantage of being able to extract the full audio to the sound bar. And now with a setup example with a TV, a setup box, which is the NVIDIA Shield TV, and we decided to add a sound system with this sound bar with subwoofer so that we can improve the overall sound quality, which we don't get that good from any TV. Now, to accomplish all this magic, we have the Ore audio extractor, and I did connect as I did show previously. Now, just to sum up, usually a basic setup, I would connect directly the NVIDIA Shield TV with an HDMI cable to the TV, and I would have the audio and image coming out of the TV. The image can be great, but the audio of any TV is not that great. So to improve it, here it is, a sound bar. So at this moment the connectivity is quite simple. There is one HDMI cable that comes out of my setup box, and it will get in the audio extractor. Then from the audio extractor we will have one HDMI cable that will connect to our TV. It will display up to 8K 60 Hz or 4K 120 Hz, which is great for gaming devices. And besides that, we also have an output which will go to our sound bar. And this is it. Now, besides the 8K resolution, it has 48 gigabits of bandwidth. It has VRR, which is variable refresh rate, also great for gaming, HDR10, 10 plus, Dolby Vision, Dolby True HD, and a lot more. So any device that we connect to the Ore audio extractor will pass through all the quality to the TV, which is one of the important things when deciding on a audio extractor. Now, besides the specifications that I will leave on screen, there's also a link down below so that you can check out all the specifications just to make sure that your device is capable of passing through the best image quality to your TV and the best audio quality to your soundbar without losing anything at all by using a audio extractor. And that being said, I just need to do one thing, which is press play right. Yes, what kind of devices here, and it's quite loud probably for the video. HDMI splitter, then we will move to HDMI switch, and then a HDMI matrix, multi-viewer, and video wall controller. So let's start by taking a look. And this is one of the videos on the Ore's YouTube channel, so if you want to check out some of the videos that they are there, feel free to do so. But I just use this as an example because I will not have any copyright issues at all, because this is my voice, this is myself, so no worries whatsoever. But one of the things that I wanted to point out is that at this moment we have a great audio quality while maintaining a great image quality just by adding this simple audio extractor, which is just a awesome and simple solution to improve our audio quality. And that is it, simple as this. Just by adding this audio extractor, I'm capable now of maintaining my image quality up to 8K 60 Hz, but at the same time improving the audio quality that I had on my TV, which was a bit flat. And now I've got a soundbar with subwoofer with great bass so that I can watch my series and movies and take a lot more advantage of it. That being said, hope that the video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.